Hi folks, we're back with more Revit training. We're continuing on with our renovation project. So we've got our stairs going here and we got a few more site features in our lighting and everything. So we're going to continue on here folks. So what I'm going to go on here with is we've got our porches. So let's go to cover here for the roof. And that's very simply done here by let's go into our roof level here. Maybe this one. And there was our roof level. So let's go to our properties here. Let's do an underlay so we can see what's going on here. And underlay will be level 2. We click apply. So there we go. So now we can see where we want to place our roof. So for the roof, this time we want to do. I don't know if I can do this in this format, but let's give it a try. We're going to do a beam system here. I'm going to go from here to there. And here we want to select our beam type. Okay, we'll cancel that out. We got to load some stuff in here. So I'm going to just finish that. Yes, I'm going to discard this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert. Now right here, I'm going to go into structural framing. And we want to go with wood. So here, I think we just want to go with probably something laminated because this is outside. But we can go dimension, limit wood. We can go with this and then we can just treat it. I'm going to go load here. And I think we're going to go with a 2x12. We'll go okay. So now on the second level, on my structure, I'm going to do a beam system, and I'm going to sketch it out here. Go from here to here. And then my span will be the shortest distance this way. And then here we want to select our type. I think we wanted the, okay, it's not in here. Let's see how we get this guy going here now. Sorry folks. Okay, so I'm going to cancel that. And I'm going to cancel this. Yes, just for the time being. We want to see what's going on here. I'm going to do a beam system. And here, okay, we got our dimension limit, and we want to space this at 1 foot, at least 1 foot. And then I want to go and sketch this guy out. This span right here. Actually, no, we want to cancel that. We don't want to. Oh yeah, we do. We're on the top, so we're good here. So I want to finish this. So there's our cover. And I'm going to finish that. Let's look at this in our 3D view now. So there's going to be our top cover. So now we can actually do this floor the same way. And to do that is just basically go to, what level is that? Go to level 2. same type of thing here, but level 2, we've got our stair situation. So basically how to do this would go, I'm going to just delete this out for now. See this guy? So there's our floor. We've got highlighted. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to that level 2, which we are here. And I'm going to just delete this out. Don't need it. Just select this and delete. Okay, so now, this level here, we're going to be on level 2. We're going to do the same thing. We're just going to go here and we want to create a beam system here. And we got our properties and we got the same thing here. So this time we want to go and just go from there and there. We're surely going to have to do some adjusting here. Go to there. This guy up this way. Back here. And we'll close it off. Make sure you clean the edges up. We can move this a little bit here. Well, let's go right to about there. And then we'll just click finish. Now we go back here because we don't have the right span, so we can just simply grab it and edit this. Our span direction will be this way. And we'll finish it. So that's how we will do our stair, the framing. These are joists, and then also we could put the floor types on here and everything. So I just wanted to show you that, how that works. We're moving on with this project. So these are going to be the stair for the back, and then we got other site features here going on with lights and everything. So hey guys, I just wanted to update you on this one. Yeah, I had questions about the, what's this going on here? Oh, sorry. I'm going to delete that out. Okay. Wow. Let's grab this guy and delete it. So hey folks, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe. But this is how we will do this now. Another thing now, we can go in here and put a floor on this as well. Plywood or whatever, and then fascia. So how to do that is say, let's go to level 1 here, the project browser. Go to level, let's go to level 2. So here on level 2, we can just do another floor type and do add materials or whatever you want to do here. But anyway, guys, I'm going to leave it there. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this all the time, and everybody be safe. Take care, y'all. Bye.